Meaning of granular.
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 Granular. The term granular refers to something that is made up of small, distinct particles or grains. It can be used to describe textures, such as the feeling of sand or sugar, or to describe levels of detail in information or data. A process or system can also be described as granular when it is broken down into smaller, more manageable parts or steps. Overall, the term granular implies a sense of organization and specificity, with an emphasis on individual components or elements rather than a holistic view.